Last night, America saw one of the deadliest plane crashes in decades. Here are the answers to all your legal questions. My heart goes out to the victims and their families. I'm not licensed in DC, and I'm not trying to solicit any of these cases. I'm just trying to provide information for people who are asking. Deceased people can't be prosecuted, so there won't be any criminal charges here. The Department of Transportation and FAA and the Department of Defense and the U.S. Army will conduct their investigations, and there may be administrative fines. Civil lawsuits will be filed by the victims' family members, depending on whether American Airlines or the federal government was responsible. If it's a lawsuit against the airline, it'll just be like any other civil case. If a manufacturing defect caused the helicopter or the airplane to crash, then the manufacturer will be sued as well. If the Army, because of pilot error, or the FAA, because of air traffic control negligence, was responsible, the federal government can be sued under the Federal Tort Claims Act. There are some limitations, though. You don't have a right to a jury trial, and you have to file in federal court, which means that a district judge will decide both liability and damages. There is one important limitation, though. Under the Supreme Court's Ferris decision, active duty military and their families can't sue the federal government for military-related deaths. Sending thoughts and prayers to all the DC crash victims and their families.